In this video, we're going to present Arduino Project 3 or the push button controlled LED. The objective in this project, we're going to add a push button switch to an LED circuit to control when the LED is lit. It is also used to turn an element on or off. Here are the materials we need: Arduino board, breadboard, jumper wires, one LED, 10k ohm resistor, and 220 ohm resistor. Place the push button in the breadboard. Connect pin A to one leg of a 10k ohm resistor and connect that same resistor leg to Arduino pin 2. We also need to connect the other resistor leg to the GND rail and connect that GND rail to the Arduino's GND. Then, we need to connect pin B on the switch to the positive 5 volts rail, then connect this rail to positive 5 volts on the Arduino. Add the LED to the breadboard, then we need to connect the longer positive leg to the Arduino pin 13 via a 220 ohm resistor and the shorter leg to GND. This is the layout. This is the sketch or code. And this is the output.